Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to scan QR codes in Squad Busters considering that you want to join a party. Share your party's invite or also receive a reward from Squad Busters. The first step is click the party app icon. Once you are in this party, you will see the QR code button here. Click this and then it will generate a QR code for you to share to your friends or others in order for them to join to your party. There's another way for you to scan a QR code using the help and support. As you can see in the more settings, then click the help and support. This will show the blue bubble icon here in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click this and leave a message, you can now discuss that the scan QR code feature is not available for you. In this conversation, you will be talking to a real-time agent regarding your concern. So just chat it out and explain everything about the issue in scanning your QR code in Squad Busters in order for you to receive the reward. And that's how you can scan QR code in Squad Busters, and thank you for listening.